Our customers usually come from airline industries, as well as general aviation, people using rotary wing aircraft and also military aircraft. Readout services are when we take the data from a flight data recorder, cockpit voice recorder, and we do a readout of it, so we actually get that digital process so that we can then perform the report analysis on it and receive it back to the customer. Frequency of readouts needs to be done are set by the regulatory authority. This could be EASA, RKO, and the FAA. It's typically once a year. The mandatory requirements on just a professional will cover the last flight and the mandatory only parameters as set out by the regulatory authority. Professional Plus will take up to the last 50 hours of all the flights for that aircraft, and we'll look at not just the mandatory parameters but also the non-mandatory parameters and give it an in-depth analysis as the flights are progressing for anything that may arise. We have hundreds of customers whose data we analyse and report on in flight data intelligence, take the security of their data very seriously, and that is in compliance with the global and local laws. With correlation checks between the cockpit voice recorder and the data link recorder becoming mandated in the near future, we're able to offer that correlation for our customers on their behalf with the provided traffic logs. Our analysis works on a lot of machine learning and artificial intelligence in order to get the initial part of it, which is then further analysed by our expert specialists. We're looking to develop our own express readout services to cover UAM and newer video recorder types.